leda. Those are all beautiful statements, right?
Yeah, those are like the bad words. I mean, for the bad scenarios. Ma'am, can you give me the OTP?
Yeah, 9686.
8686. Okay. Where are we going, ma'am?
Statue of Equality, Ramanujam Temple.
Okay. Cool, ma'am. I'll drop you there. You guys are comfortable?
Yeah. Have you been there? Is it a good place?
No, ma'am. I haven't been there, but I've heard a lot about it. I'm sure that it's a good place.
Okay, we are from Chennai.
You're from Chennai?
Yeah.
Visiting Hyderabad as a visitor? I mean, like visiting your friends?
For a marriage
Okay.
and making the best use of this trip
Uh-huh.
by going around, visiting the attractions.
Okay. So where all have you visited? And when did you come to Hyderabad?
This morning, we landed just this morning.
Uh-huh.
So this is the first place that we are going. Already we have been to, in our previous visits, we have been to Birla Mandir, Tank Bund,
Okay.
and a few malls in and around Chaitanya Puri and all.
Okay.
So now this is a new one we haven't visited.
Okay. So like this is the first time coming to Hyderabad, or like you have been here?
No, I have been here since my childhood. I have been traveling to Hyderabad,
Okay.
and with my husband this is the second time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice, ma'am. I hope you like Hyderabad. It's a very nice place, they say, and it is actually. I mean, places is one part. I think the amazing people make it more livable and a happy place to travel.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you speak Tamil?
I understand Tamil, madam. I understand Tamil and I speak like English, Hindi.
எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
How are you? You are asking, right? எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Yes.
Yeah. So growing up, no, my school principal or her family managed the school. So it's a Christian family who managed it, but they were Tamilians. So we would understand a few of the things that they would say. I mean, amongst themselves, they would speak in Tamil.
Okay.
So that's how I understand in bits and pieces.
Okay.
What about you, ma'am? How many languages do you know?
People from Tamil Nadu basically don't learn many languages, and it is from the people who I meet in my office, I get to know few words here and there in all languages. And any language lo thoda malum.
Thoda malum. Arey, solid, ma'am.
I can speak in Kannada. Chennagidira.
Chennagidira is means?
How are you?
Chennagidira. Telugu and Kannada, they say that are quite similar.
They look alike.
I can read Telugu. I can read Kannada, sorry.
Do they share the same
Grammar.
grammar and
Aksharas looks alike like jalebis. That's all I know is.
I think jalebi is actually Malayalam. Like, I mean, everything is round.
yeah.
No?
But Malayalam is close to Tamil. If you know Malayalam, you can understand Tamil.
I watch a lot of Malayalam movies.
Everybody does, because the best movies, you know.
Yeah.
They produce few of the best movies, world-class movies.
They are actually doing some magic there. God
Yeah.
knows like how they are making. I mean, I think the importance that they give to human relations in their movies is like beautiful. I mean, the way they show human emotions.
Chinna kallu bedda labu.
Yeah,
Small stone, big profit. They invest very
They
less.
are very grounded.
Natural.
Very natural. No artificial settings. And
Yeah.
no jazzy
They
stuff.
don't add masalas in their movies. So that's what I think is liked by people.
Yeah. But how do you know Malayalam? I mean, like growing up, you visited.
No, I don't know Malayalam.
Uh-huh.
Just getting in. I am from software, so that's where people from.
Acha, multilingual.
Yeah, multilingual. We meet multilinguistic there. Malayalis, Kannadikas, Telugu, Hindi.
Okay.
That's why I don't.
Maybe we should also join.
Languages.
Koncham malum.
Korchu ariyum.
Korcha ariyam. This is Tamil?
Malayalam. Konjo theriyum is Tamil.
It's as if we are playing KBC and asking which language is this.
Yeah.
Nice, ma'am. But which office do you work for and was what?
I'm working as a senior business analyst in
Okay.
one of multinational company. Then I'll twist it a bit. I'm senior system analyst.
Okay, cool. Sir, and what do you work as? Okay. Delivery unit means like you are into this business. I mean like
Software
IT
again.
delivery.
IT delivery.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, okay. And ma'am, you are into management or like specifically into tech?
I am a functional BA, business analyst. I get requirements from the clients,
Okay.
and here it's not completely business analyst. Business system analyst, why I mentioned was
Uh-huh.
I have to look into the product software also,
Okay.
and then come up with solutions, give the feasibilities of what the client is asking for. We are basically a product-based company,
Okay.
so it's not like every time we are going to come up with new product. We have existing products which we customize and develop.
Okay. Cool. Thank you. That helps. I think I have a better understanding about it now.
So product-based is basically, that is what is product-based and service-based is, right? So service-based, every time you get a project, you have to start from the scratch and you build it and then deliver it. Product-based, you have something concrete already, and you have to customize, color it up, and then deliver.
Okay.
Kickboxer.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm into kickboxing.
How is kickboxing? Is it a self-defense that you learned in terms of getting prepared for marriage, or how?
I got married 5 years ago.
When did you
And
start learning kickboxing?
Kickboxing is probably like something that happened like 6-7 months ago. But
After
Self-defense.
self-defense. Maybe that Malayalam movie where the wife started kicking the husband. She used to watch the YouTube.
like WWE and all
Yeah,
that
she
shit.
used to watch the tutorials, boxing tutorials, and she used to kick her husband off. What is that? Jai Jai Jai.
Beautiful movie they have made. Not on those lines, but yeah, growing up, I come from a very humble background. So let's say, I mean, I couldn't ask my parents that, okay, fine, I'm interested in fitness and all that. Can you pay my kickboxing or any martial art basically?
Okay.
So let's say I always wanted to do something in fitness. So last year I completed my certification in fitness as a fitness trainer. I don't do it professionally for now because ultimately I have a IT job. So for livelihood I
Then it
am.
will become an IT problem also. Multiple income sources. And Nirmala Sitharaman would be following you in your Insta.
She will send her people कि इससे भी GST लेके आओ.
Yeah.
So yeah, that is something I do. What about you guys? Like, you guys have any
We don't
passions?
know any martial arts.
No.
We are
I
just
mean,
managing it with our elbows and fingers.
I know the art of self-defense. I learned on my own.
you will have to learn. She's always attacking, so you will have to learn. You have a nice sense of humor, madam.
Thank you. See, you are a stranger to me.
Yeah.
Not maybe you will not be a stranger after the end of the trip, but now you are a stranger, right? So for you discounted. So that's why it's on a low pace now.
Otherwise, punches will keep coming.
Yeah, I don't know what if you're going to ask me get out of the car. Go on my own. I don't even know Telugu completely.
అయ్యో. అన్నీ తెలుసు కొంచెం
కొంచెం అన్ని తెలియలేదు, కొంచెం తెలుసు. సిగ్గు లేదా? Those are all beautiful statements, right?
Yeah, those are like the bad words. I mean, for the bad scenarios. So mostly when our friends teach any new language, they will first teach the bad parts.
That's right. The moment you start using it, you will get to learn more language. Invite people to teach you more.
That is how I also learned few words when I stayed with my roommates, Telugu guys. They first teach this only. How to slow this.
చంపేస్తా, చప్పల్ సే మార్నా.
Nice. But nice meeting you guys. I think this is the fun part.
If you mean it, then same here. If you really mean it.
But yeah, I think this is the fun part of what I do, which is I get to meet people, and I think it makes me happy. So whenever you meet people, you get new perspectives. I don't look at people as anything else but the perspectives that they come with.
Exactly.
I mean, the same scenario but different people looking at it different.
Yeah. the movies have made justice to this point where we have wonderful movies where the same scene would be interpreted by multiple people in
yeah.
multiple sense.
Valid
That's what
point.
life is all about. Same lecture if you give to a group of 100 people,
Yeah,
each one would perceive it as per their life learnings,
yeah.
their scenarios, their surroundings. That's how they perceive them. What life has taught them, their understanding would directly.
You are already in the IT industry,
Yeah.
which I'm sure you are working with thousands of people.
Yeah.
On top of it, what is that you are getting out of
Stages.
strangers and this kind of one-off people like us? So,
I told you, like, one is perspective. Like, I feel like
IT perspective is always one-dimensional, is it?
no, not like that. Which is like just like ma'am said. Even in her, just like her company, even at my company, I meet a lot of people. But I feel like I have hunger for more, to meet more and more people, so that I have an open attitude towards so many other things in life. That's one part. And other than that, I feel there are amazing people doing amazing stuff. So, for example, like now I was asking ma'am specifically, ma'am, what do you do? I mean, what does a business analyst do and all that? So by just asking that question, I didn't just clarify it for myself, but also for people who watch it on my channel.
Okay, I understand.
Yeah. So that way I am adding value not to my own self but also to others. So yeah, and also sometimes, for example, I might ask ma'am a different question. Ma'am, what's the most exciting part about your job? Or something like, ma'am, to reach or to do the current job, what is it that you study? Maybe the common answer can be I did engineering in computer sciences and all that. But is there a different answer that can come out? Is what this is.
Okay.
And also I love meeting people. I mean, like,
How it all started? Is it a recent one or?
this has been just 4 weeks, 3 weeks. That's all. The car is just 1 month old.
Yeah,
and
that I can understand.
yeah.
Almost I have the same one. So I can. The first scanning that I did is how it is different.
So yeah, that's how it is. I wanted to do this for like 4-5 years.
Okay.
And I ultimately thought that okay, fine, this is not happening. I'm not able to save the money and do it full time. I mean, it's never happening.
Okay.
It's like, okay, let's do it after 6 months, 1 year and all that.
Okay.
So I said, okay, this is not happening, let me go. I took a loan and then just bought it because it was never happening.
Okay.
So yeah, that's how I ended up with all of this.
No, my question is more on you get some energy out of meeting people, right?
I do.
So that is the height of an extrovert. Generally
I am
the
an introvert.
generally feels like,
You are an
I don't want to talk."
Introvert? No, you cannot be an introvert. You are as good as I am. I don't call myself introvert. I am an extrovert.
Because see, the key difference is I mean, an introvert feels like I lose my energy if I talk to people.
No, it is. No, introverts are like, it is better than dying than asking for water. Let me die.
Probably you are talking about the extremes.
No, I saw a video.
It happens.
Yeah.
Correct. You are talking about.
I saw a reel where literally one person was thirsty and no, he was going to die, and if he has asked water to a stranger, he would have saved his life. But he kept thinking to get the water, and finally he died and he went on top. He became an angel.
Okay.
But thank God I did not talk to that person. I did not ask water is what that reel ultimately said.
So my question
Sir.
is more or less on when are you like this since childhood or all of a sudden you have
No.
something-
I've always been this person that
you interact with people.
I like interacting with
Okay.
people.
Okay.
And I feel like, I mean, it is also from the intelligence perspective that, for example, maybe my intelligence is lesser than you, and your intelligence is lesser than X number of people, or let's say an X person. So let's say maybe I can learn from you, and if the person listening to this has lesser knowledge than me or you, they will learn from it. Or if they already know it, they'll skip it.
Okay.
So it is also from that perspective, and this applies similarly to wisdom, to knowledge, to anything that a person knows or has experienced. It can also be sometimes like this, that some people actually share their life experiences. So on my channel you will see a lot of people, old age people actually sharing about, I mean, that one quality that made them what they achieved and all that. So if there is a quality like that, or if there is something that somebody with experience can tell us, that saves us our time also, no? I sometimes feel that unless you fall in a pit, you will not understand some things. For example, it's like I have a kid. I will tell the kid that okay, don't go there, but the kid will go, burn his hands, and only after that understand. So that is there, but there are some smart people sitting out there whom you can just tell once that okay, this thing helped me. They'll think about it, they'll
Learn
put it in
from
their life.
others' mistake, yeah.
So yeah, that is also an experiment that we are doing. I mean, our attempt is there to actually do it. At the same time, like this is also about, this channel is also about ki, like we see a lot of drivers, and when I see the outlook of people towards drivers, they are mostly like having a negative perspective. So I just want to convey that drivers are not drivers are good or bad. I mean, we are not talking about the skill part. Usually people are good or bad. It's not the drivers. So we can't label a certain class saying that okay, laborers are good or bad. It's just like saying pilots are good or bad. So people are good or bad. In that we can diversify that okay, fine, this person was good, this person who's a driver was bad. So something like that. And also like an outlook can be changed where maybe the driver is probably more smarter than you, knows or has achieved more than you. So yeah, trying to attempt on that as well, and also creating positivity. For example, you and me are nobody, I mean strangers, but probably we are having so much conversation on so many things. So that also puts forward a point that maybe we can be good to each other, and the only thing that strangers can share is some amount of love, some amount of respect, and that's all. Empathy towards each other. So yeah, I think that is where we are heading at this point. And yeah, hopefully we are making a difference, which is a lot of people actually give us or send us love, and I think that is all I'm striving for or working hard for. So yeah.
Nice. So for the first time I'm hearing a different channel with different sources to connect.
Yeah.
Yeah, very impressive.
If I was in Chennai, I would have probably joined you on weekends like this. I would have occupied the front seat, and we both could have made wonderful videos.
Yeah. And this channel actually started as a motor vlogging channel. I mean, I love motorbikes and all that.
Okay.
My first ride was to Kollimalai, Namakkal district.
That's our favorite holiday spot.
Yeah. So that is, I mean, me and my wife, along with a few friends, we went there on a bike, and it was like beautiful. Hyderabad to Bangalore, Bangalore to Kollimalai is where we went.
Okay.
This is also an attempt that okay, maybe if we all behave well with each other, or at least try to behave well with each other, world will be a better place. If not for you, if you pass it on to your next generations, I think they'll see a better world, a better India, a better society.
Even if you are not able to be nice to others, don't be the otherwise to others. That's all.
Yeah,
Just
that
stay
is
quiet.
also there.
That is also peaceful.
Yeah. So let's say whenever somebody is sitting, I mean the passengers are sitting, it's not that I speak to a lot, everybody. Sometimes I feel like they need their peace of mind, so I let it be, because it's not necessary, right?
Oh, you read minds also.
I was into HR for like 6 years, and
Yes.
Message that you conveyed, right?
Yeah.
Being friendly or empathy or whatever you call bonding
Yeah.
with others.
Yeah.
So that message is coming all around in many places nowadays. But at least hopefully whoever watching your channel, if they can realize and then pass it on, it will be really good.
yeah, and also yeah,
It starts with a simple ego on a road trip. When somebody overtakes us, we tend to overtake and then try to corner them, dominate them. So it is as simple as that. If we can have this attitude even in our driving, most of the accidents we can avoid.
yeah, accidents is one part definitely, and also I feel like, for example, like I'll tell you one example. Like there's one lady I met. Okay, so I dropped her from like point A to point B, and after that, I mean after knowing about me and all that, she's like, I like your behavior, will it be possible that you can drop me at I mean, whenever I call, can you drop me in the nights or in the early mornings to a certain place? I mean, she's a frequent traveler and all that. So I'm like, okay. So the other day, like, I dropped her at a place. It was like around 9:30 or 10. So she was traveling to a different city. So I dropped that madam there, and she's like, okay, fine, done. I pay you and you leave. I said, it's dark now. I can't leave. You board the bus. I stayed there. I stayed there for around 45 minutes. And then she boarded the bus. And yeah, she left. But here, there is a very important point that, let's say, I felt that I would never leave my sister like that. I stayed. I didn't have to stay there.
Yeah.
There is zero responsibility on me. What I stopped. I dropped you from point A to point B. I took my money. That's all. But if I start thinking about, okay, maybe like I would never do it for my sister. She actually told me that you can leave no this thing to like stay and all that.
Yeah.
But what happened is we have a bond now.
Yeah, being responsible.
Yeah, we have a bond now. And tomorrow I would like my daughter also to be in this scenario. I have a daughter. I would want the society to think about her in this way. That maybe she is also somebody's daughter. She is also somebody's sister. Can I stand for her? And standing doesn't mean like you are doing something for her, no. It just means just giving her that just basic sense of security for some time.
This is your karmic balance.
Yeah.
The balance that you accumulate in your karmic account.
Yeah.
So it's like sowing a rice, single rice onto the ground, and it is not that one rice is going to produce only another single rice.
Yeah.
It is going to produce abundant.
Yeah.
That you cannot measure.
Yeah.
So that's how even a karma works. No matter it is good or bad, whatever you sow, it's going to come in multifolds back to you.
Yeah.
Make sure it comes back multifolded only.
Yeah, ma'am. I mean, like, that can be a thing, but these thoughts also come to me because we are into a lot of charity, and my mind always thinks about how can I give back. Give back to anybody and everybody who's around. I mean, who are you to give back? That is also a question. But the point is, to whatever extent I can give back, why not? So we do a lot of charity works as well. We, as friends, know we run an NGO also, which is called Team Care and Share Foundation.
Okay.
So yeah, we feed a lot of people, and we do blood donation camps. Anything and everything in charity we do.
Okay, nice.
So sometimes it's our money, sometimes we get donations. So yeah, that is how we run it. But food donations is something that we do every day almost.
Okay.
So yeah, ma'am, this is where maybe like just in case you're thinking like, why is this guy talking like this? Is he really so good? It's not for the camera. Maybe like off camera also we do a lot of good.
Okay, nice.
And maybe like I don't record more of those activities.
Okay.
These days I'm busy building my own channel, but yeah, I was also part of it at least twice or thrice in the week. I tried to give my time and efforts there.
People like each other. The politicians divide us. That's the
Yeah,
problem.
that's all. I think they have agendas.
All
Otherwise,
people are good. So we are friendly, and we always have a lot of culturally we inherit a lot of things. We have a lot of bonding, but unfortunately it is a political game that is dividing us.
Okay, now how is it? We don't fit into any of the languages that you have listed. So where are you going to upload our video?
I will mostly do it in Telugu because I think Telugu people will be able to relate it more.
So make AI replace my
no auto.
dialogues.
No. They'll put it in English itself.
Okay.
Because let's say, I think on one hand people love Telugu conversations, that's for sure. But even English, see, ultimately what is language? It's a medium of communication.
Understand
right?
what we speak. That's all.
So yeah, I think as a medium, if they understand, good. Even if they don't understand, I think I would love to have it as a memory that I spent a drive with you.
Okay.